Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX screen recording failed issue on ShareX in 2026. So if your recording is not starting, the video is black, or the export is failing, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and make sure it is running as administrator. Without admin access, screen recording can fail on many Windows apps. Next, go to Capture Settings and check if the correct screen recording method is selected. Sometimes the wrong encoder or mode causes failure. Now check if FFmpeg is installed properly inside ShareX. If it is missing or broken, reinstall FFmpeg from ShareX settings. Next, verify your recording output folder. Make sure the location exists and has enough storage space. Now disable any conflicting software like Xbox Game Bar, Discord Overlay, or other screen recorders because they can block capture access. Next, check your graphics drivers and update them. Outdated GPU drivers can cause black screen or failed recordings. Now try switching between full screen recording and region recording to see if one mode works correctly. Next, lower your recording resolution or frame rate if your system is struggling with performance. Now restart ShareX and try a fresh recording after closing all background apps. Finally, test recording again and check if the video is saved properly in your output folder. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX screen recording failed issue. Now your recording should work smoothly without errors. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.